So today's topic is doubling period. We have covered last classes future value, simple interest, compound interest as well as annuity. We have covered present value, simple interest as well as annuity. So our today's next topic is called as doubling period. The concept is simple. In what time period will my investment double itself? For example, if I'm investing rupees 1000, how many years will it take for rupees 1000 to double itself? That means 1000 into 2000, right? How many years or how much time period will it take for my amount or for my investment to double itself? That is the concept of doubling period. Here are two simple formulas or shortcut formulas where you can find out when does your investment double up. The first one is called as Rule 72, where it equals to 72 divided by the rate of interest or N, that means the number of years. Rule 69 is 0.35 plus 69 divided by rate of interest or N. Now here, why is it the denominator rate of interest or N? Some questions they might give you, your amount will double up within 5 years. Find out at what percentage will it double up. So that time N will already be given to you. That is the time period when the amount will double up. But at what rate of interest it might have not given up. So that time you have to find the rate of interest. On some other questions, the rate of interest at which the investment will double up will be given. At what time period will it double up? You have to find out. That time N will be the missing factor in the question. Same here for Rule 69. 0.35 is a constant number here. So where we usually used for present value or future value, 1 plus I, right? That digit is a constant in the formula. So here for Rule 69, 0.35 is going to be your constant. So 69 divided by rate of interest or N. Applies the same rule here. Either the question will tell you, find out the time period at which the investment doubles, or find out the rate of interest at which the amount will double itself. So this is the concept of doubling period. So let's start solving problems based on the concept doubling period. The first question here is, your investment amount is rupees 8,000. Your rate of interest is rupees 6%. Now under doubling period, remember until now future value or present value, we used to convert the interest rate into decimal format, but here we will not, because we're going to find out the time period. We'll keep it as it is 6. Okay, either we are taking here under Rule 69 as 6 as the value, and here also under Rule 72. Let's solve this question. So 0.35 is your constant, plus 69 divided by 6 will give you 11.5. So the answer will be 11.85 years, and 72 divided by 6 will give you 12 years. So answer that we have found out is that 8,000 will double itself, that is rupees 16,000 at 12 years time period. Here also it rounds up to 12. So both the rules, Rule 69 as well as Rule 72, must give you the same answer. Let's look at the next question here. Here the question is telling, find out if a sum invested at the rate of 8%, in what time period will it double itself? Here the amount is not given. the interest rate is given at 9% and the question is asking you at what time period will a sum of rupees, if invested at 8%, will double itself. Let's solve in both the rules. Rule 69, 0.35. So interest rate I have written as 8. Interest rate I have written it as 8 as it is, plus 69 divided by 8 will give you 8.625, and when we add it turns up to 8.97 years, and rule 72 is 9 years. 8 nines are 72. So in this question, if you can observe, the amount is not given. It is just asking you at what time period will it double itself. So under rule 69 it takes 8.97. Under rule 72 is 9 years. So again you need to notice this. Under both the rules your answer is the same, 9 years. So the next question, question number 23, same, the rate of interest is given at 12%. So the question is asking you, if a sum of amount or an investment is invested at the rate of 12%, find out at what time period will it double itself. Let's solve under both the rules, 69 as well as 72. So 0.35 plus 5.75. So once you add up, it is 6.1 years. And under rule 72 it is 12. 6 is 72. So it will turn up to 6 years. So therefore, both the answers, rule 69 as well as rule 72 says your amount will double up or your sum of amount will double itself in the time period of 6 years. So this is the last question under doubling period, question number 24. Now here they have given the amount of rupees 24,000 and they have given at what time period also it will double itself. 24 will become 48,000 in 6 years down the line. The question is asking you what rate of interest. At what rate will 24,000 double itself as 48,000 during the 6 years? Let's solve under both the methods. First is rule 69, 0.35, 69 divided by 6 is 1.15. If we're going to add it, it's going to be 11.85%. 72 divided by 6 is 12%. Now remember, whenever the question is asking you with respect to rate of interest, your answer must be in terms of percentage. 11.85% and 12%. If it's in the rate of interest they're asking, if it's in the number of years or time period that they're asking, then you can describe your answer in the terms of years and not in the terms of percentage. So this completes your concept of doubling period.